Hello, my friends from Dhaka and all over Bangladesh. Have you already heard of the 8th Nature Summit happening at the Notre Dame College, organized by Notre Dame College in Dhaka on the 20th and 21st of October this year? It's organized by the Notre Dame Nature Study Club. I hope to be there because I was there at the International Nature Summit and it was amazing. It was beautiful. It was precious. We were all together to learn about how we can help our one and only precious planet. Now, I hope to see you there. I will try my best to come. And the theme for this year is Better Environment, Better Tomorrow. Our tomorrow will be bleak unless we look after our one and only precious Mother Earth. Hope to see you there. Make sure you join.